Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we're going to the body shop and we're going to be repairing the body kit for the Xtreme.
We did that on the inside, and we'll just leave as a big goober on there. We aren't going to thin it out or anything. It bites best, you know, if you can leave it alone. And then we did the same on the outside, and then came back with some body filler over that and smoothing it out, and now we got her all primed up and
Perfect.
we'll sand her down and seal and paint it, and that one's done.
I like it.
Cut it down here on the end where it's a little bit easier, you know, the contours and
Right.
stuff, and get it fixed. And so we're gonna cut that. And
Cool. Yeah, I mean, it didn't rip off a whole lot, but it was just enough to where it wouldn't hook anymore, and then wind would catch it, and because all the holes ripped as the wheel did it, you know, then it was just winging out. So I'm sitting there on the flatbed trying to take it off, you know, and I'm like, oh man, and I didn't have anything with me. I mean, we literally, we went to Indiana or Illinois with a backpack, and that was it, you know, yeah. And it was like, okay, we should be back tomorrow, you know, and then this happens, and I'm like, oh man. I'm like, hey dude, you got a screwdriver in there? Like, let me pop these little tabs off quick. And
put some marks on here so when we cut it, it's relatively a straight cut.
So what we ended up deciding with this one here is obviously the broken driver's side. And because of the contours and everything, the length being different on the new piece, I didn't know if we were going to end up cutting this section off and just replacing it with this one. But when it's lined up, all of these mounting positions on here are exactly the same. So what we're going to end up doing is using the majority of the new piece and just using the back half of the old one. That way everything kind of lines up a little bit better, and we're not trying to fight different contours up here as concave and convex and just some weird angles. So Brad's getting her marked up here, and we're going to nip her off and get this puppy glued together and let that dry while we work on a few other things. So we've got the two pieces cut, lined up. We've got them lightly clamped down to the table, but what we're going to do is actually screw the two pieces to the table to hold everything straight and square, keep everything true while we're gluing and working on it so that things don't knock itself out of proportion. we did get very lucky, and all the holes line up on the new piece with the old one, even though the new one was shorter. We got real lucky there, so. Well, you can see there we got the main section glued up. We're not putting anything up here yet or down here. We want to kind of do this in sections because we do have to do a little grind or trim here yet to make that line up. And then if we try to push these two pieces together, it's going to throw this level area out of whack. So we're going to get that secured first and then move on to that section. This is going to take a little time to dry. Alright, so we're back. This bottom set's pretty well set up nice. Now we went ahead and smoothed that out, made a nice solid there, and got it connected, so we're about ready to goob that up and let that set up. A few steps to take, but it's gonna well be worth it in the end. Alright, we got that part all glued up, and I don't really care what it looks like underneath as long as it holds up and is very sturdy, which I think it will be. We're looking pretty good. We're one step closer. Sometimes I come out and then I can fade it when it goes. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode. Hope you all enjoyed. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.